This video is sponsored by Lido. Thanks again for supporting the channel. We're going to extract some data from handwritten documents and scanned PDFs, stuff like this, straight into Excel. We're going to use a tool that I have been using for quite a while called Lido. Let me show you how to do it. Once you're signed into Lido, you can go to New File right up here, and you've got a spreadsheet interface here to work with our data. Well, let's click this Extract button, though, because what we want is something from our computer. Let's use this handwritten invoice first. Now, when you put it into this little dialog box, and you can do this from your computer, from your OneDrive, from your Gmail, whatever, it is going to automatically scan through here and see what it thinks that you want. All these things right down here. These are the column names that it's actually extracting from the data that it sees: invoice, vendor, invoice date, description, quantity, line amount, that sort of stuff. This syncs up in our sheet over here. So like if I say, I actually don't want that, I just want to abbreviate it like so, well, it actually syncs up over here, and vice versa. If I want to say quantity and just do like this, the abbreviation, just to show you that it syncs up in the sheet. So change this if you want to, change the number of columns. If you want to add extra instructions, you can do so right down here. And if you want to extract multiple rows per document, leave this checked, and I'll show you what we're actually extracting from. Here's the invoice right here, and we want each one of those lines on a new row. Let's see what it does. All we got to do is press Process Files, and it will process up here, give you a little indicator on how long it's taking. If you have multiple files in here, it will do multiple at once as well. We're going to add a file here in a second just to show you how it can add stuff. Let's check it. We've got Red Hawk Trucking Company for our vendor name, and then we've got invoice number that it extracted from up here. We got invoice date that it extracted from up here. And then the important parts are item descriptions. Right here is putting each of these on a separate line. So we've got the freight haul, the fuel charge, layover, all the way down to the pallet exchange down here. And you can see that we've got the correct amounts right down here. And so it totaled everything up correctly. You can just use regular spreadsheet functions if you want to manipulate the data in here. Let's check out another example. So a minute ago, I wanted to just do something that was actually handwritten, so I wrote this on my computer desk right here. Pretty chicken scratch type of invoice. Let's see what it does with this screenshot, okay? So I'm just going to drag that in here. I'm going to leave the columns like they are, only I'm going to add customer, okay? So now it's going to add customer name right over here, and let's see what it does. I'm going to click Extract. It's going to process the data from that handwritten document. And that was just a PNG file. That's all we're working with right here. And you can see right here, Beehive Consulting, 987. Bill is the customer. That matches up with what I've got, just like that. So this is a spreadsheet interface, but it's not Excel. So if we need to get this into Excel, the next step would be to go File, Export Values to Excel. That gives us this untitled XLSX because I didn't title it because I'm a moron. And then we can just clean it up like this, and we've got our data over here in Microsoft Excel if we need to do any further manipulation or send this to an accountant or whatever. All right, let's try a PDF this time. So I've got this PDF right here with 2 invoices on it. On one of them, I've got this tax line that I've handwritten in below this subtotal and before the grand total. So I've made a note of that in the custom instructions. So if you've got any extra instructions for the AI to take note of, you want to add them in down here. Let's click Process Files and see how it handles that. All right, and you can see that it handled all of the lines over here, including this extra tax line that we had handwritten below that subtotal in the invoice. Hope that was helpful for you. I've got a link to Lido in the description below if you want to go check them out. Click like if this was helpful for you, and hope you have a great one.